Established in 2010 on 3 pillars, health, entrepreneurship, and the environment, the McKinney Foundation is making strides in strengthening the metropolitan Detroit community. Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Laurel Hess and this is Comcast Newsmakers. Joining me now is the Executive Director and co-founder of the McKinney Foundation, Tiah McKinney. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me, Laurel.
And I know you're proud to say you have been around now for 3 years and still going strong.
That is correct. 3 years strong with a bullet.
With a bullet means your mission is just, vision ahead.
Exactly, meaning that we've been very ambitious with each of our programs. And for starters, we conceptualized and planned our first event within 6 months, and we launched it. And
I know health is your first pillar, and you have all types of programs, flagship programs happening sort of simultaneously. But what would you say you're most proud of right now when it comes to that pillar?
Absolutely. Well, let me just back up and say that our mission is to strengthen Metro Detroit by reinvesting in the most important thing, and that is our citizens. We do that by providing quality educational programs that promote healthy living, entrepreneurship, and environment. So with that said, we have launched with our first initiative, which is under the health pillar. And we did that because we came across compelling research that looked at and saw evidence that people of color were disproportionately impacted by disease. Not only did it lessen their quality of life, it also shortened their life. So that was our call to action. So among our 3 pillars of health, entrepreneurship, and environment, we started off with our health pillar first. And with that, we've developed 2 programs that we're very proud of.
The first one, is it called Celebrating a Healthy Detroit?
That is correct. Celebrating a Healthy Detroit, that's the one that we launched within 6 months of establishing. It is focused in on a full day program of activity. We focus on reducing relevant health disparity, and we do that by bridging and bringing together the greater health and wellness communities in a full day of fun. I mean, it is a celebration. So we have music, live entertainment from Michigan-grown talent. We have prizes, we have everything from substantive sessions, we have healthy cooking demonstrations on the hour, we have group fitness sessions. It is an entire day of fun for the entire family.
You have another initiative which focuses on trying to cut down on childhood obesity. It's been going on for a while, but now adding a new element just recently.
That's so true. Doing the Celebrating Healthy Detroit, we learned about the trending upward of childhood obesity, especially impacting Detroit youth. Detroit youth is 40% of our youth are overweight and obese. And with that, we designed a unique series of programs called Healthy Seminar Series that have been accessible. So we've been hosting those in grocery stores, in recreation centers, and neighborhood clubs. And what that does is it pairs our healthy cooking chef, our nutritionist, and our fitness expert to really do an hour to 2-hour programs or longer and focus on 2 things: proper nutrition and increasing physical activity in your daily routine. So it's not an event, it's a lifestyle change.
And I know your other 2 pillars of entrepreneurship and environmental responsibility we could talk for another 15 minutes about.
Yes, we could.
But very quickly, if you're healthy physically, you're able to work, you're able to be a contributing citizen.
Absolutely. And McKinney Foundation also knows that to that effort, programs for programs' sake do not affect the systematic changes that we need in the city of Detroit, as well as other cities similar, so that we also know that effective policy is needed. And the McKinney Foundation plans on being a part of that process as well.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
For more information on today's topic, you can visit McKinneyFoundation.org. Today's Comcast Newsmaker was Tiah McKinney, the Executive Director and co-founder of the McKinney Foundation.